No time to explain, just like and let's go. There is no charger in the kit, there is no case in the kit, there is no headphones in the kit, so there is no kit in the kit. But there are luminous emoji. The case is cheap, the buttons from the teapot. The color is nice, I suggest white if you're white, black if you're black, green, purple if you're Thanos. Samsung as usual has not offended anyone. No. It's better on a teapot. Amazing screen, my eyes do not hurt. It hurts my soul that the same cool screen could have been in a Pixel 6. I raced to the museum to B check out the art and A to check out the cameras. Who is not so fast, my Telegram link in the description.
Main camera shoots like this.
The speakers are stereo. The sound is similar on a Pixel 6 and OnePlus 9R. The Sony is cleaner. Asus does 100 times better. Multi-window solution as in the tablet. Drag and drop, minimize, divide, but who uses it? The speed of the fingerprint like this. Face ID like flash. The speed of the fingerprint like this. Face ID like flash. You can use your finger, face and a graphic key at the same time. If someone steals your little friend, already that fact will make him shudder. The telephoto and body are worse than the S21, but the battery and front facing are better. Although it sometimes crashes the colors, overall it's the best front facing for 700. Already available Android 12 and One UI 4. The OS is nice and without big bugs. I will also note the animations which remind me of Apple. That's a compliment. The processor is flagship but a long-suffering one. It all depends on how Samsung said it. I've done tests, made my opinion, overall it's cool. Original cases, blessing accessories, blessing headphones in the same color as the case and wireless charger, must have. No fast charging, no adaptive 120, otherwise I recommend it. Water protection, yes. Cameras, blessing. You want to be like everyone else, buy a Galaxy. You want exotic, see my review on Pixel 6, Xperia 5 III or Asus ROG Phone 5. Do you like this video? Probably not. Where to subscribe to my channel? What to do? Like. Peace.